Hello there, I'm Derek Jones, Director of Community for Buffini Company. Let me be the first to congratulate you on embarking on this journey to become a certified, full-service professional. Get ready to stand out from the competition, deliver a wow experience, and demonstrate why you earn professional compensation. We'll give you the tools to articulate your value to your customers, your peers, and the real estate industry. And here's how we'll do that. The CFSP program consists of 5 video modules led by Brian Buffini and some of the world's most sought-after thought leaders. In Module 1, the Full Service Professional, Brian will help you define what it means to be a full service professional and give you tools to communicate with your clients in this new era of real estate. In Module 2, the Soundtracks of Real Estate, best-selling author John Acuff will help you examine the narratives that may be going through your mind and the minds of your clients. He'll start you on the path to creating powerful new soundtracks. In Module 3, Unreasonable Hospitality, we'll have best-selling author and former co-owner of the #1 restaurant in the world, Will Guidara. He's going to show you what true hospitality looks like and how that leads to creating memorable, wow experiences for your clients. In Module 4, we'll be joined by brand expert Ron Tite, who will teach you how to build a world-class, unique selling proposition. Ron will show you how to seize attention, build trust, and ultimately articulate your value. Lastly, in Module 5, Brian will dive deeper into the wow customer experience, where you'll learn how to wow by referral and deliver exceptional service, not just during the transaction, but after the sale. In addition to these modules, you'll have access to a host of valuable resources to help you separate yourself as a true professional. A world-class marketing suite to communicate your professional character and competence and connect with your database. With all new timely buyer and seller presentations, you'll harness the might of Buffini's design team with slides and graphics to wow your clients and nail the presentation every time. Audio role plays from Brian Buffini on how to handle objections and negotiations with ease. Listen in as the master walks through those conversations we can't afford to avoid. There's a fantastic interview with Katie Johnson, Chief Legal Officer at NAR, where she and Brian discuss the recent changes in the industry and how you can best equip yourself for success. Now, some of you may be new to Buffini. To help you understand the system and philosophy behind the CFSP program, be sure to watch the Introduction to Working by Referral video. Brian explains the principles we've coached and trained entrepreneurs on for 30 years. And even if you've been with us for a while, it's a great refresher. Once you've completed the 5 modules of the program, you'll take a quiz based on what you learned. Pass that, and you'll unlock your CFSP designation assets so you can update your branding, your business cards, your website, your marketing materials to show that you are now a certified full-service professional. As you can see, this is an extremely robust program. Be sure to check out the CFSP user guide in your resources. It will show you how to maximize all the great tools at your disposal. And for you brokers, get your agents on board and start building a certified full-service professional office today. It's time to raise the standard in the real estate industry. I hope you're excited to become a CFSP. Let's get started.